Hello folks, in this video we're going to be seeing how to install TCE on macOS using Homebrew. So this is the command. So I'm going to just copy this out and put this in here. And so you can see that it's downloading the tarball for macOS Darwin, and this is the latest version and it's installing it. This should take a moment like to extract it and stuff. And once it's done, it'll actually give you a note saying, hey, you have to run this thing. So this is a two-step process, so you'll have to run this. So once you do that, it's going to actually install this. So this is that second step that's being mentioned here. This will actually show up in the notes, so you can just copy this up. And once that is done, you should be able to actually just use Tanzu. Cool, so it's installed now, and I'm going to actually just show that the Tanzu command works, and you can type in Tanzu version to check if everything is good. So that's how you can install Tanzu on macOS using Homebrew.